Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to insert PDF in Google Slides. So here you can see I have opened my Google Slide, and if I try to insert any PDF file, if I try this PDF file to insert my Google Slide, let me show you. Okay, so if I drag this file on my slide, here you can see this error will become unsupported image types. Okay, and if you go to the insert option, here you can't see the PDF option. Okay, you can link your PDF if you have in your Google Drive or any other website from here. Okay, but it won't work because this is PDF file, but maybe link will be work, but you have to upload this PDF file on your Google Drive. So I have this file, and I just have to click on. Okay, first you need to upload a PDF file on Drive, then just click right side and get the links. Just okay, now make the anyone with this link, copy it, and if I go in Google Drive PDF now and try to insert by URL, so you can see can't find the image because the in slide you can't upload the PDF. You only insert PDF images or PNG, JPG or PNG file. So if you want to add PDF into Google Slides, so there is a one trick you can use. Go to the Google and search PDF to JPG converter, because you need to convert your PDF file into JPG first, then you can upload. Okay, and now go to any PDF, okay, any website. I just click on this website. Okay, now it is converting PDF to JPG. Select your file from your device. Okay, this one I will select. Okay, now I have to convert it. So now, yeah, it is converted. You can download image. Now you can easily drag it or upload it on your slides. Let it open first. You can upload this image from here. Go upload from computer, then go to the download option and just find that image which is shown. Which is for JPG. Okay, I have to find where it is download. Okay, it's download this folder. I just need to drag it, or you can insert from here. So now you can see this PDF file has been inserted here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.